Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of KakaoTalk. We go to settings, then here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we'll search about the application of KakaoTalk and we go here to this application and we will click this page of app on full. We go here to Forcestop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.